Alright, so I just got finished taking the engine apart, putting it back together again with new pistons and rings after honing the cylinders. The smoking came right back from when I used the engine restore. So engine restore worked, but put new pistons and rings in it, smoke came right back. So we're still looking for another engine. But as soon as I find one, I'll put one in. But until I do, I'm gonna try using this formula here this time. Just want to try something different and see what happens, and then look and see what happens. All right, so this is what it looks like before I add it. Still a lot of smoke. Again, that's before putting it in there. That's what it looks like before putting the smoke stop, or the ring restore as they call it. So it says to add it directly after. So we're going to add it now. Alright, so I've ran it for a few minutes, and I'm going to let you see what it looks like. It's really thick stuff, so I don't know. I think it should be kind of instant. It does look to stop it. It's very difficult to see the smoke. It looks like it does work. I mean, I see a little bit of smoke, but not very much. So, I don't know. I think that stuff does work. Hard to say, but I think it does work. So yeah, it does seem to work. I was kind of surprised actually, because I didn't think it would work as well as the other stuff, but it does seem to work. So yeah, I mean, I guess, I'm gonna keep running it and see what happens, but it looks like it did work.